Yes, likewise, me here. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, serious. You're looking takeaway.
Thank you.
You're shining wonderful, wonderful. Oh my God. You know, the last time we saw, and I remember I told you something. That's the best people do.
Wow. Are you serious?
Ever since I lost my wife, I've made up my mind. In fact, my doctor even advised me that I should look for somebody that know what it takes. So just imagine what you are, you know.
Wow.
I'm gonna take care of you. Honestly, I would do. Baby, let me see that one, baby. You need it. Oh, my man. That vitamin B. Made you okay. It's chapter. You were there.
Thank you.
You were there. Let me see your back again. Oh my God. Hey. Yeah. Are you serious? So how are you?
I'm fine.
Wonderful. Promise me I'm gonna do more.
I promise you.
You promise?
Yes.
Oh. In fact, if I get home tonight, I'll sleep like a baby. And you know, I just want somebody that'll be pampering me. You know, they're not
You're also
so that this my hair will get more whiter. You know, because oh my God, I'm blushing. Lovely.
Don't talk too much.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, can you give me small break here? Just say, guy. My name is Willis.
Yes, sir. They will hear you.
Definitely. Yes. At the first beginning, you know my name is first beginning. And I do take care of it. Yeah. I got no problem. Money can never be a problem. Have you traveled before?
Oh, yeah, no.
I will make sure you
Okarabiano no kuchuku wala yoso.
pay me.
Onya bikwadindo. Ango kayama.
Yes, I promise you.
Somebody pass here. Makani no nelu love. Okenye arụala. Because here no nelu 360. Ela here. Jakasa na ga eguzo loto. Ishle no okenye poor. You have migrated into an essence of days. As old as you are, yet you have no shame. You can go America. Why you've not crossed over here? You will take her to America. Your wife falls sick here. That didn't know quarantine. Come on, no quarantine. You would have taken her to hospital and maybe have tuberculosis. You didn't even take your wife to the hospital. Now you are promising a small girl of yesterday. You take her to America. You take her to Libya. You take her to Damawa. You take her to Gorimapa. You take her to Lewishan and Lewishi. I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you. No wonder your son goes around this village messing up. Collins is just a fruit of your womb. Collins is a fruit of your womb, like father, like son. And you know here, pink. How old are you? You are 18 years. 18 years. How old is he? 70 something.
Do you need to tell him your age?
Why would he tell me? Why would he tell me, okay, I run? I see what all these things you people do in this village. I'm not saying you are a widower, but it's supposed to go for people that are your class. What you need now is somebody that will be cooking for you, just a cooking mate, and not this thing. Get your chiganga. Get your chiga.
Young man, let me warn you for the last time. This is the type of lady I need now.
And this is the type of lady that will send you to an early grave. No. Not even early grave.
No.
This is the type of ladies that will send you to your in fact, your deserved grave.
I reject it.
What? Leave here. Get out of this place.
No. Don't do that.
Get out. Come on, get out. Stupid thing. All the time, screw to my now. Everywhere, this place go to sweet now. Sweet now, come. This man here doesn't deserve you. Your mates are looking for young people. They will migrate and then considerate into.
You spoiled my day.
You have already, I will spoil it. I will spoil your future. I will spoil your reputation. I will spoil your family. I will spoil everything that is giving you breath. You will stop breathing. Why you don't go? You are no longer a people.
What happened in 1974 will repeat itself here.
Let what happened in 1960. Ojuku rest in peace. Ojuku nam keep on resting in peace for the megu Ojuku. If you don't leave my presence. I'm ashamed of you. So this is what Igbo lecture. You achieve cancer. I You spoiled my day. You spoiled my day. You spoiled my day. Madam, when you went maternity gown, go support my day. Support my day. Look, let me watch you. Move.
Are you commanding me?
I will push you. Because I won't want to maybe so much.
If you push me, I push you. Yes.
Move. Move. I got to move. Move. Okay, now run. I hope I'm going to get last. Okay, stupid indigo. I'm not going to blame you. You go around spoiling small children. And I said, if you see him cut away the top shit to come out them, because you don't know when the dog dies, now you go chop the meat. This side now have a future, a brighter one. If I had seen her with a young people who have future, not be any college, I will not talk. But because you have sold your reputation with a truck, idiot of no competition here. Family orientation. Afternoon, go get back. Afternoon, laga one. I didn't hear I'm not gonna go. Eh? I didn't hear I'm not gonna go. I'm going to my wife has young girls. Only coffee. I didn't hear not to go back after this. So take a
Faga, calm down. What you trying to say? I'm just passing on my own.
You're just passing. So what is the dance? What are you proud of now?
That's the new trending movement.
New trending movement.
Yeah.
You can get trend now. If you're there to no trend, like give move, let me watch.
I'm beginning now.
Now we can get at you. Your family is sacrilege.
What do you see in our family? You, this man, every time you know about family. And we have Maggi. And we have Maggi.
Oh no, didn't cut up. Happen no mas no obodo ka ha nwe go deliver liberation.
Mo kwale di bon kita cook ke na azu. O cook eju na begi. Asin kita. Apmaka. Ye ni me obro di problem.
Apmaka go speak apaka.
O woni fo mu nya kita.
Ana amacha ojeyi. Ojeyi ha.
Oh my God. You surprised me. Wow. Oh my. You know, I'm already invested. According to our plan, it has been booked already. Chief, I have myself.
She get book boss. Yeah, they go kumba. Who are you, Chief?
Jim Castle.
No, I'm going to spoil this business now.
Jim Castle.
Since you people have lost respect for elders. I know your father is shameless. That is the reason you can do this before me. But keep my mouth. Come on,
Look at that one. Tell you. Oh! Chief, stop now. Don't come on to be happy. Yeah, I'm cooking out what you know outside now. We got what you cook.